Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars on reading glasses, distance glasses, and progressives, only to be told you need yet another prescription? That's exactly the promise behind Relieflogix Glasses, which claim to replace all your eye with a single pair of self-adjusting lenses. No prescriptions or eye exams required. At first glance, it sounds revolutionary, a one-size-fits-all solution for every vision problem, using something called an autofocus lens. But when you dig a little deeper, the story gets a lot murkier. Relieflogix promotes itself as high-tech eyewear, yet there is no optical testing, no FDA or medical certification, and the so-called autofocus technology simply doesn't exist. The website is filled with glowing customer reviews, but most are either generated photos or staged testimonials, and even the Trustpilot ratings you see are completely fake. What's worse, the glasses themselves are nothing more than inexpensive $1, $3 frames sourced from China, massively marked up and rebranded under different names, making it hard to justify the high price. You'll find identical designs sold elsewhere for a fraction of the cost, which raises serious questions about the company's marketing claims. Despite the bold promises of replacing all types of glasses, there's no clinical evidence or real-world testing proving these work as advertised. And they certainly cannot replace a proper eye exam or prescription lenses. Even though the idea of self-adjusting glasses is tempting, buyers should be extremely cautious. The technology simply isn't there yet. And much of the hype appears to be driven by clever marketing rather than real innovation. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution, it's important to manage your expectations, because the reality of Relieflogix Glasses is very different from the flashy claims made online. In the end, it's less about breakthrough optics and more about branding, and you should approach it with your eyes wide open.